Creating team collaboration workflows with a CRM can revolutionize how your team works together, improving communication, organization, and efficiency. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up team collaboration workflows using a CRM and give you an exclusive offer for a free trial to follow along with the software we'll be using. To start, the first thing you'll want to do is define your team's core workflow needs. Think about what tasks, projects, or communications you need to streamline. You want to create a process that matches your team's workflow, whether it's handling customer inquiries, managing internal projects, or tracking sales pipelines. Next, choose the CRM that fits your workflow. I've tried all the popular CRM options, and the one we'll use today stands out for its simplicity and powerful collaboration features. We'll set up your CRM to automate and streamline communication across teams. This helps ensure that no task slips through the cracks, and everyone on your team stays aligned. Once you have the CRM in place, set up user permissions and team roles. Define who will handle what tasks within the CRM, whether that's a team leader overseeing the process or specific team members who are responsible for certain steps in the workflow. This is where the collaboration really takes off. Make sure everyone has the right access and visibility into the tasks that matter most for their roles. Now let's talk about setting up shared pipelines and task boards. Many CRMs offer Kanban boards or project tracking tools that allow your team to move tasks through stages, whether that's a sales pipeline or a customer service support ticket. This visual setup makes it easy for everyone to see what's happening, who's responsible for what, and where things stand at any given moment. You'll also want to set up automated reminders and notifications. This ensures your team never misses a deadline or important task. It can be as simple as an email notification when a task is overdue or a pop-up reminder within the software when an action is needed. A huge part of CRM workflows is internal communication. Use built-in messaging features or integrations with tools like Slack to keep everyone on the same page without having to leave the CRM. This minimizes the need to jump between apps and keeps things streamlined in one place. Now let's look at analytics. Most CRMs offer reporting features that track the success of your workflows. You can monitor team performance, task completion rates, and bottlenecks that need attention. Make sure to review these reports regularly to improve efficiency and adjust workflows as needed. Lastly, test your workflows. The best way to ensure that your CRM workflows are effective is to run test scenarios and get feedback from your team. This lets you spot any issues and refine your processes before you go full scale. So, what's the key takeaway here? Setting up effective team collaboration workflows with a CRM starts by understanding your team's needs, choosing the right CRM, setting up roles and permissions, automating reminders, and using tools like shared task boards and internal messaging. This makes collaboration smoother and ensures everyone is on the same page. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this video. The link is in the description below. With this, you'll be able to follow along with the steps I've shown today and start improving your team's collaboration right now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick, actionable tutorials.